in to see what Big Vol Daddy's doing.
Sounds entertaining.
No, I just couldn't put on the face clothes, you know. Dave's gone.
What you doing, man?
Samantha.
Dude,
I'm not gone yet.
sleeping? Wake up,
I know I'm
little
still in high
kid.
school. However,
Honey, it's time for
versus
school.
statutory
Come
rape,
on, I got the
American
waffles
Standard.
ready. Or do you want Captain Crunch? It's officially out, ladies and gentlemen. Might have to do a titty twister.
It seems like
I knew that'd get him up. Oh yeah, the big V. BVD, that is. What we dreaming about, man? Oh hell. Oh, I know what you're dreaming about. You low sly dog, you. There you go. 1 minute of BVD. So, man, give me the word, man. What's the word, Thunderbird?
well, I'll help with the girls. I love them.
Damn. I'm not sleeping for a while.
Check it out.
That's the word. Sleeping for a while. That's several words.